Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2017 Mercedes Benz A Class. First of all, as you can see, it's not a touch screen. So this is the control here, rotary control, and 2 is a star and a back button. If you click the star, it brings up all your options, all the options you can have. If I just go back there, across the top, Navi, radio, media. So I click the switch forward till I get something to highlight on the top line of the menu, turn it across to Navi, click the rotary selector, then we need to go to destination entry. You've got view map, traffic, start voice input, settings, mute, destination entry, that's what we want. So we click the center to select that. Address, points of interest, go home, my route, recently, favorites, service, coordinates. So again, we want address. Click on address, and I want postcode. So you've got select town or postcode in Great Britain. That's the first thing you need to make sure you're in the right country. Then you can enter town or turn it down to enter postcode. Click on enter postcode. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, and that is P. So we turn the rotary selector across till we get to P, and then R. We now need numbers. It's automatically defaulted to numbers. So that's 5, 4. Press the center to select. It's gone back to letters. E, A, PR5, 4EA, that's the one. We have to click again to tell it that even though we've just typed that in, that's the one we want. It's selecting address, PR5, 4EA, Preston, Lancashire, Great Britain. Route preferences, faster time, avoidance, unpaved, go, browse map or save. We want, there you go, we can change it from go, but it's on go. Click select. I did have the audio.
Please drive to highlighted route.
So that's it. I did have the audio turned down, but that's it. That's how you do it.